In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Koji in Atlassian Cloud and how to access its back office in your Jira Service Management project. To install Koji, go to the Atlassian Marketplace and search for Koji. In the list of search results, click on Koji, AI agents for Confluence and JSM. On Koji's product page, you can review its features and pricing. Koji has a 30-day free trial during which you can test its features. To start the free trial, click Try It Free. Next, select the site where to install Koji and click on Review. Here, you can review the details of the application before the installation. Click on Actions to review the permissions. Click on Data Storage, Sharing, Receiving, and Processing to review details related to data management. If you agree, click on Start Free Trial to begin the installation. Once the application is installed, you can manage it by clicking Manage App. Here you can view the details of the installed app and manage your subscription. Next, go to your Jira Service Management by clicking the back arrow. In the menu on the left, click Projects. Then, select the project for which you want to set up Koji. Click Koji Backoffice to access the back office where you can configure Koji. Here is the first view of the back office. Finally, go to Koji Settings. Before starting to set up Koji, you will need to provide your email address, read and agree to the end-user license agreement. Click on Enter Contact Email Address. Type your email address and click Save. Next, click the link to read the end-user license agreement. If you agree to the terms, click the button. I have read the agreement and I accept the terms. Once that's done, click on Refresh. You can now access the settings and configure Koji.